On Thursday, Taiwan said that it spotted 33 Chinese Air Force aircraft and 6 naval warships near the island. According to reports, this is the second such incursion in less than 24 hours and the third overall in a week. Taiwan, which China claims as its territory, has repeatedly complained of Chinese military activity near it over the past 3 years as Beijing stepped up pressure to try to force the island to accept its sovereignty. Taking to social media platform X, Taiwan's defense ministry said that the airplanes and naval ships were detected at around 6 am local time. The ministry said that of those aircraft, 10 had either crossed the median line of the Taiwan Strait, which previously served as an unofficial barrier between the two sides, or entered the southwestern part of Taiwan's Air Defense Identification Zone, or ADIZ. The ministry said the Taiwanese armed forces have monitored the situation and tasked its aircraft, naval vessels, and land-based missile systems to respond to these activities. This is the second incursion of Chinese warplanes and warships near the island in less than 24 hours. On Wednesday, the Defense Ministry said that 10 Chinese Air Force aircraft entered the island's air defense zone, accompanying 5 Chinese warships engaged in combat readiness patrols. The ministry said that starting around 9 am local time, it detected a total of 25 Chinese aircraft engaging in operations out at sea, including J-10 and J-16 fighters as well as H-6 bombers. On Sunday, that is August 6th, Taiwan reported a similar level of activity by Chinese warplanes and warships near the island. China staged war games around Taiwan in April after President Tsai Ing-wen returned home from a visit to the US, where she met House Speaker Kevin McCarthy. Taiwan's democratically elected government rejects China's sovereignty claim and says that only the island's people can decide their future.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.